how to remove tagged posts on or photos on Instagram easily. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnit, and today I'll guide you on how you can remove tagged photos or posts on Instagram. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. Simply go ahead and open up Instagram, then head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right, then tap on the 300 line icon at the top right. Once here, you can see the option that says your activity. You're gonna tap on it. Under your activity, you should be able to find the option tags. You can tap on it, and here you'll be able to see all the tagged posts. You can tap on the post that you would like to hide from your profile, then tap on hide at the bottom, and then tap hide again to confirm it. I don't have any tag posts, so unfortunately I'm unable to show you, but this is how you can do it. Hope this helps you to like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues as well.